Welcome. This is Zangler, the Tesla Semi Advocate, bringing you the Tesla Semi Factory video for Friday, October 25th, 2024, filmed about 11:30 a.m. The title of today's video is Tesla Semi Factory Turns the Corner. The perimeter steam columns and beams have turned the northeast corner and are now heading south, finishing the third run, heading from north to south along the eastern perimeter, and part of the southern perimeter wall or construction has been completed, and that being in section 2. Just now coming into view is the the northeast corner that has been turned, and it's proceeded about halfway down the eastern perimeter of the construction of the building. And some of the interior columns have been installed. If you look closely, you'll see some are much heavier duty than others. Perhaps for bridge cranes, probably for bridge cranes, that I think are a significant part of this Tesla Semi line. Right there is an opening, one of the openings for the large openings that will remain for the access to the building, and possibly where Tesla Semis will emerge. Although, based on the flow and the number of loading bays that are mostly located on the northern perimeter up at the top of the screen, and then you'll see a fewer amount over here on the eastern perimeter. So that's where raw materials are going to come in. Most of the raw materials will come along in the top of the screen along the northern border, and we don't know about the southern border yet because we don't have it. For one, they haven't finished it, but they have made good progress on the apron. And here is where the rendering shows the building jogging, making a slight jog. And then now I noticed a little something, a little Easter egg, so to speak. And there is a Tesla Semi bobtail parked at the factory. And another thing I want to point out is this is some of the employee parking. People have noticed, and there's a little bit more employee parking elsewhere, but people have noticed that they're very efficient with labor allocation. Here's the Tesla Semi parked. I'm speculating that it was for a media event. I have some other reason to believe that. And if true, if there was a Tesla Semi Factory media event, who is conspicuous by their absence? Somebody who's been providing Tesla Semi and Tesla Semi Factory construction videos for months was not invited. Oh well, I'm going to go have some sour grapes for breakfast. The panel table you can see up there in section 4, because we just went away from it, doesn't look like it's in action right now. I noticed the Mesmaster was parked idle along the northern perimeter. Matter of fact, I'll try to include that video here. Here's a look at the Mesmaster taking a timeout. So the truth be told, when I first arrived, I was a little surprised at the lack of visible progress. Other than the fact that it turned the corner on the perimeter, I hadn't seen as much progress. I hadn't seen very few more wall panels added. There were a few added along the western perimeter where the stairs were the temporary staircases added. But anyways, I think this video shows that a lot of activity is taking place out of sight under the sections 1, 2, and 3 that have already been completed. And also they're hustling to get all of the footings completed, filled in, and packed in section 5 to keep up with the steel erection. Anyway, here's a look around at the entire perimeter of or the surrounding area. And one of these buildings is a Walmart distribution center. There are some high-tech businesses here, a lot of fulfillment centers. And then one of the buildings we just passed is the Tesla Semi pilot line. We're about to come up to something that I thought was interesting and I've never actually talked about, and that is the substation here. If you look closely, there are, I think, 6 old school megapacks there. These are like version 1 megapacks that have been there since the original, like 7 years or so that the Gigafactory Nevada has been present. This is a metal treating facility, and here's the final rendering showing the locations of a small number of loading bays along the western perimeter, the southwest, vast majority of the loading bays along the northeast perimeter, which is, I think, where all of the building materials will come in, and a look at the Tesla Semi Advocate on site with the world's fastest drone support vehicle. Thanks very much, and see you soon.